Hi guys! Here I am again. I'm Joy and welcome to my channel. Today is September 18 and a very special day because I celebrate my 11 years here in Finland, and right now we are traveling to Helsinki with my handsome brother over there driving. Yeah. Oh, and my brother has his own YouTube channel also, so don't forget to subscribe. Yubin Churur. Okay, and I'm with my sister-in-law also, and right now we are still in Vasa. It's what time? It's almost 6 p.m. so probably we will arrive Helsinki like 3 or 4 hours. 24 hours, Ben? Yeah, and tomorrow I'm gonna meet some friends, dinner, but right now we'll be staying with my brother who is also living in Helsinki and celebrate it together with them. See you guys! It's already 10 p.m. in the evening and we are here in Espoo. We're waiting for my brother. We don't know where he is. He said he is in building 8, but I don't know where, so he said to stay put. So right now I'm a little bit tired, but it's okay. I'm not that so tired too. We arrived safe. And tomorrow again. See you tomorrow, guys. Hi, good morning, everyone. It's Saturday and it's 9 a.m. in the morning. I'm with my sister-in-laws there, Karen and
Karel.
Here are my sister-in-law. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Karel.
And hi.
Dire. Ano ko mo toyo?
Sa parking. My brother there.
Dito naman, dali lang rin kay kwala ko sa sapatos niya.
Nya, bit-bito na tuloy din. Dili what?
Kuha pa yung sapatos.
Balik lang mo dire. Asa niya?
Okay. Palihog na itong kalo na ako, be. So, okay, sila rin yun ang akong makuanan. Hi.
Hi, Joy. Hi. Camera shy ka nga.
Camera shy mo. Ayaw magkaulaw, uy.
Ay, naku.
Camera shy. Ayaw ba? Ayaw mo ka shy. Di ba no?
Isa na lang ka, Julia.
Artista waya mo.
Isa na lang ka, Julia.
Tama, kay ma-discover on namin.
Nindot ang view. Saan siya sa flower? Ay,
Ano yung mga, halimbawa, mag-ragdag, lahat, para taluman mo sa Lagi mo tayo ito.
nice timing. Well, we go for a shortcut. Wala namin agi sa dalan. Kasi mukhang napagod na sila, so kailangan na namin dumaan sa shortcut na lang. Forest area. So,
Hello mga trip, mga magandang guys.
Pinagduha kong mag-talk. Sila mga tulig forest.
Nakatamad. Pugson palagi na mo karawang gawa. Tapos tulahan yan. Ay ako.
sa
Mga bata po.
seryoso na sa kinabuhi.
Sila.
Kasi ka lang
Theory lang. Theory lang jud pirmi.
play.
Dire eh. Murag may ano jud.
Wala kay pressure no dire.
Tapos ano nila ba? Kadang like science. If science ang subject, okay, magawas ta. Kay mo ni ang
Explore.
environmental science.
Ah,
Experience yun nila ang subject.
sa to
Laboratory diretso. Chemicals.
microscope.
Or ano,
Draw microscope.
books ba?
Wala man gud dito. Nindot mo siguro kung maka-experience og kanang sa winter ba, borealis.
Oo.
Tani na makakuanta rin December. Rovaniemi, nindot ba juga dito.
Sa kami pagkwartaan. Nag yellow dito.
Wala pa. Wa pa nag-change yun.
Sa school na ang show para ko free. Ako magpunuhay lagi. Ako na lang.
Yung ako. Ay, dapat na mag-otong. Kasi ubin po ko siya. Dapat mag-otong na.
Mo gyud.
Style.
Lidl is there.
Style. Perienta. Gamo na po ko nilagyan na nagkamo. Habang nagkabiyahe, bored naman sila. Hindi ko na punta.
Aglayan ag ano.
This, ako, this colored.
Finish.
We're done. At Lidl.
Nawat ni.
Ayan na naanaw ng grocery. Tara mo pag gidayong ano. Paspas ka nakakawat ang isa o. Kinagbitbit og kuhan coke. So ganagang kawaton ako pag yun no.
Yes, wala kaayo siya obvious.
Yes. Tara mong kuhan o. Puro manok. As in.